My doctor was surprised to see that report. She
Wow.
asked me, "What have you done, Vandana? How come this
Oh,
reading
wow.
has gone so down?" I just wanted to share one thing. I just got my blood test done the last week, and it
Okay.
was amazing. The results were
Wow.
amazing. My anti-TPO report has gone so down. Otherwise, from the last few months, or rather from the last 1 or 2 years, my anti-TPO value was quite high. It was above 1000. This is a check for the thyroid actually.
Oh, okay.
So they check the antibodies for the thyroid. So they check
Oh,
if it
okay.
is reversible or not. So
Mm-hmm.
because whatever antibodies are formed in our body with any of the problem, so it is the detector of that, this
Oh,
report.
wow.
So
Okay.
earlier my report was above 1000 something, and
Mm-hmm.
this time it has gone to 300. The value
Wow.
has got reduced
Congratulations.
a lot. My doctor was surprised to see that report. She
Wow.
asked me, "What have you done, Vandana? How come this
Oh,
reading
wow.
has gone so down?" So
Wow.
that was really a wonderful result for me. I was so happy. So I
Yeah.
just wanted to share this with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. I think
Yeah.
everyone should unmute and say congratulations to
Mm,
Vandana.
yeah,
Everyone, I
thank
would
you.